Chapter 8: Cooking Food. As we know, different kinds of food grains are grown in different parts of India and people have different eating habits. We need to cook these grains to eat. People of different areas have different tastes and cook food in various ways. Though some of the food is eaten as raw, such as nuts, fruits and vegetables like cucumber, onion, carrot, radish, beetroot, etc. But most of the food we eat is cooked. Cooking makes the food soft, tasty, easy to eat and digest. Rice, pulses, vegetables like potato, tomato, pumpkin, gourd, jackfruit, etc., meat, fish, and eggs are cooked before eating. There are various methods of cooking. Different ways of cooking food. Boiling. Boiling is the method to cook in water at high temperature. Generally, oil is not used while boiling food, so boiled food is light to eat and easy to digest. Rice, pulses, vegetables, eggs, etc. are cooked by boiling. Steaming. In this process, the food is cooked in a container which has holes. These holes allow the steam to reach to the food and thus help in cooking food like momos, dhokla and idli. It is a healthy method for cooking food. Frying. In this method, food is fried in a hot oil. There are three main methods of frying. Deep frying. The food is completely dipped in very hot oil. Puris, pakoras, French fries, chips, fish, chicken pieces, papads, etc. are made by deep frying. Shallow frying. Food is cooked with little oil in shallow pan. Parathas and omelets are shallow fried. Stir frying. In this method, food is cooked on high heat using little oil. Chow mein is cooked in this way. Baking. In this process, the food is cooked in the dry heat of oven or a cooker. Cakes, breads, muffins are prepared by this method. This is a healthy way of cooking food because the food is cooked without oil. Roasting. In this method, the food is cooked in the dry heat of the oven or in fire. In ancient time, early man used this technique to cook their food. For example, meat, chicken and paneer can be prepared by this method. Grilling. Food is cooked directly on fire. Paneer tikka can be prepared by grilling method. Materials used for cooking food. The various essential things needed to cook food are utensils, stoves and fuel. Let's discuss about them one by one. Utensils used in cooking. Different types of food are cooked in different utensils. Utensils can be of various shapes like flat, tawa, shallow, frying pan and deep pressure cooker. They are made of different types of materials like aluminium, steel and copper. Utensils used in cooking are provided with wooden or plastic handles. These handles do not become hot and thus vessels can be lifted easily. Heating sources. Earlier, cooking was done by using coal, wood or cow dung cakes as fuel in a giti or chulha. But nowadays, stoves, solar cookers, LPG gas stoves, electric ovens are used for cooking food. Microwaves are the best for oil-free cooking. They need electricity and cook the food in less time. More to know. Solar cookers use sunlight to cook food. Now I know. There are different ways of cooking food such as boiling, steaming, baking, roasting and grilling. The essential things needed to cook food are utensils, stoves and fuel. Some foods such as certain vegetables and fruits are eaten in raw form. Baking is a healthier way of cooking.